Have you ever dreamed of living in a land where stunning natural beauty meets unparalleled quality of life? Scandinavian countries, particularly Sweden, have captivated the imaginations of people worldwide with their top-notch education, comprehensive social welfare, and serene landscapes. But what lies beneath this picture-perfect facade? Is Sweden truly the idyllic paradise it's often celebrated to be, or is there more to the story? Join us as we dive deep into the heart of Swedish society, exploring its true charm and uncovering the realities behind its global reputation. Get ready to embark on a journey that will challenge your perceptions and inspire your next world travel adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights into the world's most fascinating destinations. Number 1. Sweden's expansive land and tranquility population. Sweden covers a vast area of approximately 528,000 square kilometers, making it one of the largest countries in Europe by landmass. Despite this impressive size, Sweden is home to only about 11 million people. To put this into perspective, countries like Spain and Thailand have populations of 72 million and 50 million respectively, while California houses around 40 million residents. This low population density contributes to Sweden's tranquil and spacious environment, offering a stark contrast to the bustling cities found in other parts of the world. Imagine living in a country with a similar land area to Thailand or California, but with a fraction of the population. This spaciousness not only ensures less congestion, but also fosters a sense of peace and serenity that is hard to find elsewhere. Sitting, standing, walking, or riding. According to a 2024 study by prominent organizations like CNN and Forbes, Sweden was ranked as the 4th happiest country in the world. This ranking highlights the overall satisfaction and well-being of its residents, making it an attractive option for those considering relocation. World travel enthusiasts often seek such serene environments to escape the chaos of more densely populated regions. Number 2. A legacy of peace and stability. One of Sweden's most remarkable achievements is its long-standing history of peace. The country has not been involved in any wars since 1814, allowing it to avoid the devastation and loss experienced by many other nations during global conflicts like World War I and World War II. This peaceful legacy has enabled Sweden to focus on development and growth without the interruptions and hardships that come with warfare. This stability has also played a crucial role in Sweden's ability to manage large-scale immigration smoothly. While many countries grapple with integrating newcomers amidst political and social turmoil, Sweden has maintained its harmony and high standard of living. The result is a society where immigrants can thrive without being thrust into chaos, making Sweden a beacon of stability in a tumultuous world. How does this long-term peace influence Sweden's international relationships and its role in world travel? Number 3. High quality of life, clean water, and natural abundance. One of the standout features of living in Sweden is the exceptionally clean water. Residents can drink directly from the tap without any concerns about contamination or lime buildup. The purity of Sweden's water sources is a testament to the country's commitment to maintaining its natural resources and ensuring public health. Moreover, Sweden is rich in natural flora, with blueberries and various herbs growing abundantly in its forests. These plants are not only used for making tea but also play a role in protecting locals from the harsh, cold climate. This connection to nature is deeply ingrained in Swedish culture, promoting a lifestyle that harmonizes with the environment. Additionally, Sweden's commitment to sustainability and eco-friendly practices makes it a leading example for world travel destinations focused on green living. Swedish architecture further enhances the quality of life, with clean roads and modern buildings that often feature distinctive red, cream, or high-contrast tones. Cities like Stockholm seamlessly blend modernity with medieval charm, creating visually captivating environments that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you're strolling through the capital or exploring smaller towns, the architectural beauty of Sweden is sure to leave a lasting impression. Number 4. Transportation and an Outdoor Lifestyle by David K. Can you feel the light? In Sweden's capital, Stockholm, life is organized and calm. Many residents choose to commute on foot, by bike, or using electric scooters, reducing the need for cars and contributing to a cleaner environment. For those who prefer driving, owning a car in Sweden is relatively affordable compared to other European countries. Second-hand Volvos, known for their durability and luxury, can be purchased for between $1,000 and $15,000 without the burden of excessive taxes. Swedes' preference for large, wagon-style vehicles is practical, allowing families to transport children, tents, and other supplies for outdoor adventures. With over 2,000 islands, Sweden offers endless opportunities for exploration and recreation. Boat tours from Stockholm to these islands provide breathtaking views and a unique sense of peace, making them a must-visit for any world travel enthusiast. How does Sweden's transportation infrastructure support its outdoor-centric lifestyle, and what impact does this have on daily life? Furthermore, the well-maintained public transportation system ensures that even those living in rural areas can easily access urban centers. This balance between accessibility and tranquility is a key factor that attracts many to Sweden, making it an ideal destination for those who love both nature and convenience. Number 5. Safety and social environment. Sweden is renowned for its low crime rates and safe streets, making it an ideal place for families and individuals alike. Women can comfortably walk the streets at night with minimal risk of harassment, contributing to the country's reputation as one of the safest in the world. According to recent research, Sweden ranks 118th among countries with the highest crime rates, highlighting its status as a secure haven. However, living in Sweden does come with its challenges, particularly for immigrants. High tax rates, which can reach up to 60%, and a reserved social atmosphere may make integration difficult for some. The serious demeanor of Swedish society can also make it harder to meet new people, especially for those coming from more lively and entertainment-feeling cultures. This raises an important question. Is the high level of safety and social order in Sweden worth the trade-offs in social interaction and financial burden? To foster social connections, many Swedes engage in community activities, sports, and cultural events. Additionally, the rise of digital platforms and social apps has made it easier for newcomers to connect and build networks, enhancing the overall social environment. Number 6. Beauty and diversity, a multicultural tapestry. Swedish people are often celebrated for their beauty, with many sporting tall blonde and elegant appearances. This perception is bolstered by the country's commitment to maintaining a high standard of grooming and personal care among its residents. Swedish men, in particular, are known for their serious demeanor and focus on meaningful relationships, preferring long-term commitments over casual flings. Despite their harsh landscape, the people of Sweden are very motivated by physical activity. However, Sweden is also becoming increasingly diverse, with immigrants from Syria, Iran, Russia, Ukraine, and other regions contributing to its multicultural fabric. This diversity enriches Swedish society, bringing a variety of cultures, traditions, and perspectives that enhance the overall quality of life. Exercise serves as an important act of charity in the communities impacted by exercise. Immigrants who integrate successfully into Swedish culture often excel, embracing the language and customs with enthusiasm and achieving high levels of success. How does this growing diversity influence Sweden's cultural landscape and world travel appeal? The blend of traditional Swedish values with diverse cultural influences creates a unique and vibrant society. So, when faced with choices about what to do with limited resources and constrained time, festivals, culinary diversity, and multicultural neighborhoods are just a few examples of how Sweden celebrates its rich heritage, making it an exciting place for both residents and visitors. Number 7. Challenges of living in Sweden. Despite its many advantages, Sweden is not without its drawbacks. The high cost of living is a significant concern, particularly in major cities like Stockholm. Dining out, groceries, and basic goods can be expensive, with prices having surged due to factors like the pandemic and the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Inflation rates have soared, with electricity prices increasing fivefold and food costs rising by 9%. These economic pressures constrain both locals and newcomers, making everyday life more challenging. Additionally, Sweden's economy, while stable, is considered one of the weaker ones within the European Union. This economic reality, combined with high taxes, can be a deterrent for some immigrants who may find it difficult to balance their financial obligations. For freelancers, the tax rate can be as high as 50%, which poses a significant challenge for those coming from countries with lower tax burdens. This leads us to another critical question. Can the high cost of living and taxation in Sweden be justified by the quality of life and safety it offers? It's a complex balance that each individual must weigh based on their personal circumstances and priorities. Moreover, the competitive job market in Sweden can be daunting for newcomers, requiring proficiency in the Swedish language and relevant qualifications. Despite these challenges, many find that the benefits of living in Sweden outweigh the financial and social hurdles. Number 8. Nature and cultural harmony. Sweden's profound connection with nature is evident in its extensive forest coverage, which accounts for 69% of the country's land area. These forests are home to a diverse array of pine trees and various plant species, ensuring that fresh oxygen is always available. Only 3% of Sweden's land is urbanized, and even in cities there is a strong presence of trees and parks. This emphasis on greenery not only enhances the beauty of urban areas, but also promotes a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. Swedish culture deeply values harmony with nature, a principle that extends to all aspects of life, including urban planning and architecture. Even when constructing buildings, there is a conscious effort to preserve the surrounding habitat, maintaining the delicate balance between development and environmental preservation. Development and preservation may be two different terms, added Chris, a whole lot like. This respect for nature is also reflected in the national anthem, which praises the country's beautiful skies, sun, and green lands. Additionally, Sweden's commitment to environmental sustainability is a major draw for world travel enthusiasts who prioritize eco-friendly destinations. From recycling initiatives to renewable energy projects, Sweden leads by example in promoting a sustainable future. Number 9. Integration and community. Immigrants in Sweden often describe it as the best country in the world, citing the high quality of life, safety, and natural beauty as key attractions. However, those who struggle with the high cost of living in cities like Stockholm may choose to move to more rural areas. Charming villages like Skansen, located south of Stockholm, offer a glimpse into Sweden's historical way of life, with open-air museums, ducks, streams, lush nature, and the sounds of birds and insects. These rural regions are typically inhabited by people over 50, as younger family members tend to migrate to Stockholm for better career opportunities. This creates a unique dynamic where communities are tightly knit and the pace of life is slower and more relaxed. For those seeking peace and a closer connection to nature, these rural areas can feel like a perfect haven. How do these smaller communities support the integration of immigrants, and what role do they play in preserving Swedish traditions? In addition, local initiatives and community centers in these areas provide support systems for newcomers, facilitating smoother integration and fostering a sense of belonging. The strong emphasis on community and mutual support ensures that even in less populated regions, immigrants can find the resources and connections they need to thrive. Number 10. Embracing Swedish norms and culture. Swedish society places a high value on education, work ethic, and cultural integration. Immigrants who relocate to Sweden with their families often find it easier to adapt and thrive, seamlessly integrating into the Swedish lifestyle and culture. The emphasis on learning the Swedish language and achieving high scores in language exams is a testament to the country's dedication to fostering a well-integrated and educated populace. This seamless integration is particularly notable among immigrants from elite backgrounds, who tend to be more intelligent, better educated, and more composed compared to those in cities like London or New York. These individuals understand the importance of embracing Swedish norms and culture, which aids in their successful adaptation and contribution to society. Furthermore, Sweden's inclusive policies and support systems, such as language classes and employment programs, play a crucial role in helping immigrants adjust and succeed. Moreover, Swedish workplaces are known for their emphasis on work-life balance, egalitarianism, and collaborative environments, which can be highly appealing to those coming from more hierarchical or high-stress work cultures. This cultural alignment makes Sweden not only a place to live, but a place to grow personally and professionally. In practice, Number 11. Final thoughts. Is Sweden the right choice for you? Sweden undeniably offers a unique blend of high living standards, safety, natural beauty, and cultural richness. Its low population density, peaceful history, and commitment to environmental sustainability make it an attractive option for those seeking a high quality of life. However, the high cost of living, significant taxes, and reserved social atmosphere present considerable challenges that must be carefully weighed. As you consider Sweden as a potential destination for world travel or immigration, ask yourself, do the benefits of living in a safe, serene, and beautiful country outweigh the financial and social challenges? It's a deeply personal decision that depends on your individual circumstances, priorities, and aspirations. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever considered moving to Sweden, or have you experienced life there firsthand? Share your insights and questions in the comments below. If you found this video informative, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content on world travel destinations. Welcome to World Travel Destinations. Your support helps us bring you more valuable information and inspiring stories from around the globe. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Sweden's allure and challenges. Until next time, happy travels, and see you in the next video.